Here we are. Hi, Bill. It's the 13th of December 2013.
Friday the 13th.
Oh dear, that's asking for trouble, isn't it?
It is.
Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
And it's midnight, almost exactly.
Yeah, just gone actually, so it's the 14th now.
Yeah. So here we are. Now, you had the cheek of emailing me earlier today to talk about the half hour that you had where it all went mad.
It was lively.
And you, who's not even terribly interested in detecting meteors.
No.
Absolute cheek it is.
Yeah.
So here we are in your shack.
And that's the new little box of tricks. Look at it.
That's tiny, isn't it?
Isn't it just? It's incredible.
Little Yaisu.
It does almost everything that'll do. Yeah.
So we're going to give that a try this evening. And which area are we using? The one outside, is it?
Yeah, we're on the quad. But we will put the little Moxon on.
Yeah.
After.
So this is on your big aerial outside at the moment.
It's on my quad.
Yeah, big 6 foot
Beaming
long.
Beaming to, about Switzerland.
Yeah.
There we go.
So pretty much towards Graves then.
Yeah.
And we're listing on 143.049. We hope.
Put it on monitor.
So K1JT program again.
This program, yeah. Right, we'll turn the power supply on.
Always a good idea.
Yeah, let's turn that
bated
on
breath
first.
now.
Right, turn that on. 143049, upper sideband.
Yeah.
Keep it on or below. Don't hear that one straight away.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, absolutely.
How's that? That was quick, weren't it? Right, and what you can do then is go on it.
Yeah.
And hopefully, let's see if we can do it on that one.
So it'll decode.
Yeah, and sometimes it does. It'll tell you the width and the signal strength. Yeah. Oh,
a few more coming.
Look at that.
And more.
Look.
Look at those.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Right, let's try that. Let's try them.
So bear in mind, this is with the big area outside.
Andrew, right now.
Yeah.
20. That's the time. Look.
Oh, more coming up there.
20.2 seconds. That's the width of it. Hear that as well.
Yeah, they're coming like mad, aren't they?
Hey, 6 dB, and that's the report that you would send if you was transmitting, say, if it was a meteor scatter signal.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we got.
That did an actual decode itself, then. See.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that string of.
Yeah.
Look at that string of meteors there.
Yes,
Bum, 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 bum. Oh, more coming up now.
There.
Oh, look at that. Oh, dear.
Yeah.
So this is what you get in the middle of a meteor shower.
We've never known it like this. Well, you haven't seen it like
No.
this. And this is more than I had the other morning, even.
What, even when you were talking about your...
Yes.
When it was very busy?
Yes, yeah. This is...
So this is the busiest you've ever seen it?
It's the busiest I've seen it, yeah. See that big one? About 13 seconds, isn't it? See? 13.4 seconds.
Yeah.
160 is the width. 18 dB, and the report would be 28. If it was a meteor scatter signal. One thing I want to show you, and you'll easily be able to distinguish. Bear in mind, if there was any electrical storms, this would pick them up.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, but you couldn't mistake it. That is an electrical storm. See, there's no sign of... Now that's a meteor. See that?
Yeah. So which is the electrical storm again?
There, that one.
Oh, so that's not a meteor?
No, that's an electrical storm.
Okay, why do you say that?
Just a peak and no sign of anything like that.
Okay.
Right? That's just noise.
Right.
Electrical noise.
In other words, you've got a sudden discharge of electricity, which is literally momentary.
Just show a peak.
So thinking about that particular line, you've got a sudden discharge of signal.
Yeah.
It's actually on the waterfall plot, which is the blue bit.
It will appear on that.
It actually crosses quite a lot of frequencies.
And there'll be nothing. you see that? It
Yeah.
actually looks, if you like a meteor.
Yeah, but I'm thinking, look at the meteor. What you've got is just comparing it.
Yeah.
You've actually got a very bright or very
I say it's
discharge.
orange with
Yeah.
my
But compared to the electrical
eyesight.
storm, it's much.
Yeah,
it is much
just
more
a peak.
intense.
Yeah, that's electrical
It's
noise.
still, yeah.
See it?
So that might be something like lightning or something.
Yeah, that's right. That's a meteor, of course.
Yeah.
See?
But interesting, the meteors tend to be prolonged time-wise.
Yes,
So as they're shooting through the sky, they're obviously leaving a bit of a track on the thing as well. Yeah.
In fact, Ken was here early. You haven't met Ken, G1 PGD, never goes on the air. He's very interested in astronomy, right? And of course, he's oh, look at that.
Oh, well, that's a nice one, yes.
And Ken said you would very often get two together where it breaks up.
Oh, what a good point.
Yeah.
Yes,
and
two
I
or
said,
two, yeah.
Ken, I bet you're blooming right.
That's a good point.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Yeah. And you sometimes like that and that.
Yes, absolutely.
See, I bet that was the big one, look.
Yeah.
And then it broke up, and the smaller one, too close
Yes,
together.
what a good point, actually.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
It does indeed, yes.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see if it... What was it, about 5 seconds? Let's try and...
Interestingly, they pretty much all come across.
Oh, down there. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it, 3.7. Yeah, that was it. And look at the width, 500.
So what does that mean? 500 milliseconds?
Might be the width of the trace.
Okay.
Yeah. Might be milliseconds. I mean, you would get the gen about this, Andrew, if I hadn't got the gen about it, but it would tell you all that.
Yeah.
But the first bit is the file, they're numbered,
Yeah.
and then that's the time, the T.
You say files, so does that mean they actually save the copy of the trace for you?
I think it was probably 5.3 minutes into since it's been running.
I'm just thinking, can we?
Might be.
We've still got this 2003 business.
Yeah, that because the clock in the computers. Yeah, you can alter that.
So we're December, obviously.
Yeah, December. Yeah, by all means.
So if we take us
December, do the year.
the 13th.
13th.
And then 2013.
13. Yeah.
Let's get the year right. Oh, another meter just come through there.
Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah.
Well, we seem to have the time right.
Was the time about right? 12 hour.
Yeah. Except I've just noticed I put 13th. Well, in actual fact, we're the 14th now because it's gone past
it is. It's 008, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll have to get round to putting a battery in it.
There we are. It's automatically updated the thing. That's much better.
Yeah. Yeah, good.
That's great, and that's great that we've been able to pick them up immediately.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I bet it'd be nice if there was some meteor scatter on, wouldn't it? Look at that.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Yeah. It might decode it in about 15 seconds. Let's see if it comes here after and another one. See if that big one comes.
That's great. It's interesting. The other day when we were trying to
it didn't.
Trying to record these things, we were trying to record the sound, and for some reason we could never get it each time. But this time it's no problems.
Yeah, there you go. How's that? 15 seconds. 400. That was a really wide one. 6 dB, and that was the report C26.
Yes, indeed. So, considering we've got a -2 dB better the baseline signal, it's going up to 6 dB.
Whatever you do, don't let that go above 0.
Yeah.
It can go below.
Well, it shows the distance on your aerial setup. We're talking about anything at about 8, 10. The biggest one we got there is 18. Looking at it, but they're commonly 4, 6, 8, somewhere around there.
That's right. Yeah.
Sort of 6 is
and
that's
quite
against
broad. Some of the widths.
and it's against a 2 decibel baseline, or -2 decibels. So
that's right. You can add that to it.
Yeah, so it's about 8 decibels.
Yeah.
So thinking about it, I mean, 8 decibels is. Oh, look at that! There's a nice one's coming through there. Yes.
Yeah. Woo, you can hear the ping, can't you?
You know, our previous ones have actually put on YouTube.
Have you? Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a handy way of doing video.
Good.
Especially as this camera produces what do they call it? Not DVD. What's just the more powerful version of that? That sort of high definition thing.
Oh, HD.
Which is you'd think was great, but it's actually a right nuisance because the files are enormous.
Are they? Yeah.
So if I put them on the website to download, it takes you hours.
Right. All we need to do now is swap the aerial. Do you reckon?
Okay. So I'll switch this off.
No, I'll tell you what. Just as a matter of interest, let's see if there is any meteor
why not?
scatter, eh?
Well, we're still doing it. So this is a question of chance.
This is how you change